Good morning, beautiful people. Tracy here from Uniquely Creative. Today we're going to talk about fussy cutting dies and why and how you use these dies with our stamps. So this is one of the cute little polar bears from our Polar Pal collection, and I have just stamped him onto a piece of cardstock, and I have taken the little fussy cutting die from so this is our Polar Pals die. This actually comes with the kit, this one here, and all you do is you place it over like so. So you line him up and you see all your gorgeous little edges, and then you're going to grab yourself some washi tape. Take a couple of pieces of washi tape. This just takes all the time and effort out of fussy cutting them out by hand. So I'm going to tape it onto my card in 2 spots, just like that, so it doesn't move. Bring over my personal die cutting machine. I use a Big Shot, and we are going to run it through like so. So we're just going to run him through, Mr. Polar Bear. Okay, so he's come out the other side, and now I'm just going to carefully lift off my tape, because I will reuse this tape again and again and again. I just sit it on the top of my machine, and voila, he's perfectly cut out. So fussy cutting dies work extremely well. They just take all the effort out of cutting out everything. We have them now for all of our stamps in the collection, so we've got for October, and we'll be doing them moving forwards. We also have this extra one here, which is the Merry Christmas. This cuts out, and of course it will mat it, and that matches perfectly with our Merry Christmas stamp on the Christmas cookies one, so you can actually cut that out as well. So that is fussy cutting dies, people, and why you need them is because it does make your life so much better. Till next time, guys, see ya.